Welcome back to the Insight Sphere. So today we are going to discuss the current trends of Pepe Coin and its price prediction. The meme coin that rode the 2024 and 25 bull trend, we see a far more volatile profile. Pepe's price hit an intraday high around 0.000014 on May 13. That is a 40% jump in 2 days. By late May, it was consolidating near 0.000012, implying a market cap of $5.4 billion. However, by June 22, the token had pulled back further, reported at about $0.000092, down 8% and 24-hour and 40% over the past month. In short, Pepe has given back most of its spring gains. The daily chart shows this volatility. Early May rallies pushed Pepe above key Fibonacci and moving average levels, but recent weeks have seen a pullback into a point. But recent weeks have seen a pullback into a point 0.000009 to 10 range, effectively a battleground between bulls and bears. So, what's behind Pepe's swing? Partly its broad market moves. When Bitcoin dipped recently, Pepe followed, but high profile trading activity has also loomed large. On chain analysis show that whales have been very active. For example, data show large accumulation by smart money wallets and 10 to 100 trillion Pepe range boosted their holdings by 24 trillion tokens, that is 20% since January. Notably, a single whale withdrew 500 billion Pepe, that is about $4.4 million from Binance in one go in May, often interpreted as a sign of confidence. At the same time, some big players have taken profits. In March, one whale dumped 262 billion Pepe, that is for a $2.1 million and a $7 million loss, which helped trigger the first quarter sell-off. Remarkably, another whale then swooped in and bought 506 billion Pepe, worth of $4.4 million right after. This rotation from weaker hands to a stronger ones suggests that smart money is accumulating on dips. As analysts note, uh, in practice, large-scale buying and selling has made Pepe choppy, but recent on-chain flows imply that many large holders are building positions for a rebound. Retail sentiment around Pepe remains optimistic despite the price drop. Community data show rising engagement. Cryptonomist notes that over 330 new addresses bought Pepe in a single day recently, a sign of growing retail interest. In other words, many traders view the sell off as a short term dip, not a change in the long term meme trend. Technically, Pepe coin is forming a volatile but potentially bullish pattern. CoinDesk analysts note that Pepe's 200-day SMA resistance held firm in mid-June, capping the recent bounce. However, they also point out a classic bullish signal. The 50-day SMA has crossed above the 100-day SMA, hinting at underlying momentum. This golden cross suggests that any pullbacks could be limited if broader crypto rally resumes. So here is the key levels to watch on Pepe. Support is near a point triple zero double zero 70 to a point triple zero double zero 75. This zone actually the March lows has so far held up, and analysts say that defending the low of point triple zero double zero 7 is critical. Breaking below that would likely trigger a deeper leg down towards the early 2025 lows. So our resistance is around point .000010. This range, that's roughly 9 to 10 cents in the fifth decimal, was prior support and is lower head supply. A convincing break above would be a very bullish, potentially unlocking moves toward the mid point $0.00001 range. Pepe Coin has a volatile and pulled back sharply. Its price stalled near a 200-day resistance and has shed about 40% since May. On-chain coin evidence suggests smart money accumulation at current levels. If crypto markets strengthen with BTC leading, Pepe is likely to claw back losses. Key technicals defense of the point triple zero double zero seven support zone is critical to prevent another slide. So, what to watch next? Broader crypto sentiment and meme coin rotation will dominate. A surge in Bitcoin could buy as many traders anticipate, but continued selling pressure may drag it back to a strong supports. If you found this analysis helpful, please subscribe and let us know your thoughts below. Leave a comment on where you think Bitcoin and PP prices are headed next. And don't forget to hit the like button for more crypto market updates. See you in the next video.